Got a Cardi B lesson for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play WAP. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a B power chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Next is a C power chord. So you're just going to take the B power chord and move it up 1 fret. And last is a D flat power chord. So you're just going to take the C power chord and move it up 1 fret. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for WAP. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, and that's it for WAP. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.